This was another abstract presented here in the mini oral session. This was an IPD analysis based on 5 clinical randomized trials, and they're looking for the role of the retreatment patient versus switch the scheme after progressive disease. So they are described an interesting concept in terms of some benefit for patients, mainly in patients with longer interval after exposure to the anti-EGFR treatment. So, of course, it's not a randomized clinical trial because it's an IPD analysis, but still, I think the very good positive signal, again, in the saga of the EGFR continuum of care in the treatment of metastatic colorectal cancer was wild type.